Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to print addition table up to 10 rows. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which won't execute in the runtime. It starts with a hash symbol. It is called single line command. Next line I am going to read the n value from the keyboard using input function. Input function is used to display the message. First enter the n value. After displaying the message, the control automatically transfer to next line. Why? Because here I am using escape sequence character \n. Whatever character we are reading from the keyboard through input function, it will treat it as a string. So you should convert the string to number. So outermost function int function is used to convert the n value to integer. Then it will assign to n. My input is 5. My input is 5. Then next line I equal to 1. I am assigning the I value. Then control comes here, while loop. While loop I value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. At the end of that loop you should use colon. If condition is true, control comes inside the loop. Okay. Print statement is used to print the I value. I value is 1. Then this is the I 1 plus n value is 5. 1 plus 5 equal to, you may get 6. 1 plus 5 you may get 6. Control comes to the next line. Then I value 1 will become 2. 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Then control automatically goes to loop condition. Then 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Again control comes inside the loop. I value 2 print. Then plus symbol it will print. Then n value 5 equal to 2 plus 5 equal to, that is 7. I value 2 plus 5 7 it will print. Then control moves to next line. I value 2 plus 1 it will become 3. Then control automatically transfer to here. Now 3 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. I value 3 it will print. This is a string plus it will print. 3 plus 5 it will print. 3 plus 5 equal to, you may get the answer 8. Then control comes here and I value 3 plus 1 it will become 4. Then control automatically transfer here and it will check the condition. It will check the condition. 4 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. I value is 4 it will print. Then plus symbol, 4 plus 5 equal to 9 it will print. Then control comes here and it will increment the I value 4 plus 1 it will become 5. Then automatically control comes in the loop condition. The 5 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Again control comes inside the loop. Now I value is 5 plus 5 equal to 10 it will print. Then control comes here, 5 plus 1 6 less than or equal to 10, again condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. It will print the I value 6 plus 5 equal to 6 plus 5 11 it will print. Then control comes here next line, that I value is 6 plus 1 7 I value becomes 7. Then control comes here the condition and 7 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. So control comes inside the loop. It will print the I value, that is 7 plus 5 equal to, you may get 12. Then control comes to next line. 7 plus 1 8. I value become 8. 8 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Then control comes here and print the I value. I value is 8. 8 plus 5 equal to 13 it will print. Now I value is 8 plus 1 9. I value become 9. Then control comes here and it will check the condition. 9 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. It will print. Control comes inside the loop. It will print 9 plus 5 equal to 14. Then control comes here, 9 plus 1 10. I value become 10. 10 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. 10 plus 5 equal to 15 it will print. Again control comes here and it will increment the I value is 10. 10 plus 1 it will become 11. 11 less than or equal to 10 means condition is false. Control comes out of the loop. there is no other statement, so program is over. Now we will run the program. Fi to run the program, I value 5. You can get like this output. So kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. You may get my videos in future.